Kotlin versus Java, choosing the right language for your project. Kotlin, introduced by JetBrains in 2011, emerged as a modern and concise programming language that runs on the JVM. Designed to be fully interoperable with Java, Kotlin brings a host of features to the table, including concise syntax, null safety, extension functions, and improved support for functional programming. Introduction to Kotlin and Java. In the dynamic realm of software development, choosing the right programming language is a pivotal decision that profoundly influences the trajectory of a project. Two stalwarts in the world of Java Virtual Machine, JVM, development, Kotlin and Java, have garnered considerable attention for their distinct features and capabilities. Interoperability and migration strategies. Interoperability extends to libraries, enabling the reuse of Java libraries in Kotlin projects and vice versa. Migration strategies between Kotlin and Java form a significant aspect of the decision-making process for developers. Development productivity and tooling. Development productivity and the quality of available tooling play a pivotal role in the effectiveness and efficiency of a programming language. Debugging is a fundamental aspect of the development process, and both Kotlin and Java benefit from mature debugging tools. Performance considerations. Performance considerations are a crucial aspect when evaluating programming languages, and the comparison between Kotlin and Java often delves into runtime efficiency, memory usage, and overall execution speed. Community and ecosystem. The Kotlin community has grown significantly, fostering collaboration through forums, social media, and conferences. The ecosystem surrounding Java is extensive, with a vast repository of libraries, frameworks, and tools that cater to a wide range of applications, from enterprise-level systems to mobile and web development. Decision-making criteria. The decision-making criteria for choosing between Kotlin and Java should involve a thoughtful assessment of the project's requirements, team expertise, existing codebase, and long-term considerations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the decision to opt for Kotlin or Java in a development project represents a nuanced evaluation that goes beyond a mere comparison of features and syntax. Kotlin, with its concise and expressive syntax, null safety features, and seamless interoperability with Java, has positioned itself as a modern language of choice, especially in the context of Android development.